As somebody who has seen your work and knows the quality of it, I'm going to say, why would you give away anything for free ever, right? You have so much skill. And the people who have worked with you know how much skill you have. I understand your concept of I want to have some case studies and I need to build this specific area. But I also think you can get paid something for that, even if you do a lower cost, just so that your baseline cost is a little bit lower.
About a year and a half ago, I jumped back into commercial and corporate photography after a gap of about 9 years. And so I
Mhm.
planning around putting a subscription plan together, basically a quarterly or a biannual. Go in, I strategically plan, we do some shoots, they get a real defined set of deliverables.
Mhm.
And my approach to building this market is I'm going to go to my existing contacts and say, hey, do you have a customer of this, avatar of this kind of that has this pain point? I'm going to give away 6 shoots. Basically, I want to build 6 case studies
Mhm.
because I need to show what this is. And then
Mhm.
from that, once I get 6 case studies, begin marketing this, roll it out to more customers. And
Okay.
one, do you think it's viable? You know,
Right, right. So Dan, as somebody who has seen your work and knows the quality of it, I'm going to say, why would you give away anything for free ever, right? Like you have so much skill, okay? And the people who have worked with you know how much skill you have. I think that I understand your concept of I want to have some case studies and I need to build this specific area, but I also think you can get paid something for that, even if you do a lower cost, just so that your baseline cost is a little bit lower. I don't think for these people that are interested in this, your cost would be an obstacle. Starting with your existing contacts, I agree. That's a great place to start because referral business is always going to be your best source of new business. That said, the people that you're talking about targeting, though, why don't you start reaching out directly to some of those? Using some of the photography that you already have. So I would cobble some of that together into a, reasonable portfolio and just start putting that stuff out there to those people who are likely to have both the need and the budget, right? I have somebody like you in my back pocket that I can say, but there's this guy Dan I know and he has a great intro package, right? So one of the things that we use for services for an intro package is we offer audits. We do MailChimp audits because we're very known in that space. And so people who are like, well, I don't know if I want to work with an agency. I don't know if you have what I need. I can offer an audit. It's a low cost entry level package. They learn a lot. If they're not ready to work with us yet, that's fine. They still get something good to go from. But if they are ready to move forward, they've had a little taste of how we work and go further. So I would suggest for you thinking about putting together like a very small intro package, something that somebody could use for a website homepage, maybe a couple social media cover images, something like that, that would be light and little to get you
I
in the
actually
door
have a
quick.
small business package,
Okay.
so I do have something similar like that. I can kind of amp it up to the industrial.
I mean, I think that's a better shot because I don't want you to devalue what you do by giving too much away for free.